Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Nick. For those that are new to the channel, hopefully by the end of this video you do become a subscriber, and if you guys are not in the free Discord, there's going to be a link down at the top of the description below to join the free Discord. You guys won't regret it, so definitely join up. Now, with that being said, it is official. Today we did see Ripple officially launch Ripple USD, RLUSD, and it is now live on all global exchanges. It's an enterprise-grade stablecoin built for everyone. RLUSD combines fiat stability with blockchain efficiency, instant global payments 24/7, seamless on and off ramps, access value in real-world assets as well. Now, just like they said, it is on almost every single major global exchange at this point. Artic was one of the first ones to really kind of announce that they were supporting Ripple USD. It's a USD-backed stablecoin that opens up exciting new opportunities for cross-border payments and financial applications. And then they add, we look forward to seeing how it shapes the future of decentralized finance. Because if you remember, RLUSD is built around forging a path to institutional DeFi. Now, on top of this, if we go over to some of the other announcements, Uphold as well. Again, they give you guys the approval. They see how, or they say how it's issued on the XRP ledger and Ethereum. Now, I know that everyone's going to be asking the same question. Nick, I thought this was going to pump XRP. Why hasn't it? Listen, I never said that it was going to. I said that initially this is going to be a launch that's going to take some time to morph into reality in terms of, really kind of targeting its main use case, which of course we will address in this video. But anyone that was going to say like, hey, RLUSD is going to pump XRP to a new all-time high immediately out of the gate, guess what? They lied to you. They lied to you, and all they really wanted was your views. They wanted to utilize this as a big narrative to float around so that everyone gets bullish. Listen, it happens every single time. I'm going to actually go over this, and I'm actually going to be talking about RLUSD in a light where I do think if you hold XRP, you should be very bullish on this. Now, Bitso did put out a post, and this one was a little bit different because this one was actually in Spanish, but we have Ripple USD token is now available on Bitso. RLUSD is a stablecoin backed one-to-one by USD and issued by Ripple. And we have Ripple. It is designed to improve institutional payment flows and cross-border payments. And then also down here, they do have a little bit of additional information. And we also have Coinmina and MoonPay. So yeah, it's on all major exchanges. How did this affect XRP out of the gate? Well, XRP did pump about 14%. As they did prepare to launch it. Now, this was in the early hours of, the 17th, which was the day that this did get announced. Of course, this got announced on at 8:26 a.m. on the 17th. This got posted by like roughly 8:50. So this was, about 30 minutes later or so. So XRP did have a nice little price move in the market. This is what it looked like. And as you guys can see, we're selling off. Now the question is, are we selling off because this means nothing for XRP and XRP's trash, this, that, whatever? Because I keep seeing all these narratives floated around like how XRP's never going to $3 plus, XRP's never going back here. It's bizarre. It's bizarre to me. Why? Well, because if we really look, let's go over here to the cryptocurrencies list. First off, Bitcoin selling off, which is the biggest driver of altcoins also selling off on the short term, right? Like if we go to the daily and we go to Bitcoin as well, let's just go to the daily on Bitcoin. Like this is what these charts look like. This is typical market fluctuations. But if we go and we look at the 90 days, let's just actually filter this out real quick. I want to look into So let's reset this real quick. So this actually, let me go to columns. I want to really look at this because I want to show you guys why all of this talk about how XRP is never doing this, XRP is never doing that. It's still ongoing, even though XRP on the 60 day is up 350, almost 8%. On the 90 day, it's up 300, almost 30%. I mean, on the 30 day, it's up almost 120%. It is the number 3 largest project right now. I just want to quickly show you guys, if we go over here to the historical snapshots and we just go back to, let's just go back to November 3rd, okay? XRP was trading at 50 cents on November 3rd. It was in the number 7 spot. Guys, XRP is now trading well over $2 plus. I know that it was trading at $2.90 just recently. It is the number 3 largest project now. Why is everyone getting bearish? This is simply short-term price action. Now, do I think XRP is going lower? Yes, I've mentioned this. I told you guys that I'm expecting $2.21 yet again. I said this on the 15th. I made sure to repeat it in the RLUSD announcement live stream as well, that I'm still expecting this inverse head and shoulders pattern to be printed out. We hit around $2.60, which was the neckline, which was the big moment that I was waiting for. Major resistance to confirm either a breakout or not. And we did go a little bit higher, $2.71. We didn't get the close though. Just like previous wicks that we got close to, $2.70 with roughly, I'm still expecting this area on the right, the second shoulder, to be retested. We'll watch, wait, and see, but it all depends on what Bitcoin does. Now, is this still bullish for XRP though? Because I really do fear that now the narrative around the stablecoin is that, oh, it means nothing for XRP because look at what happened. It means a lot. In fact, if we go to the 16th, right, from the announcement that Ripple said, hey, we're officially launching in 24 hours. Ripple Wallet Zaman gained 80,000 new users during XRP's rally. This was all fueled by the anticipation for RLUSD. The number of active weekly users on Zaman has surged 250% since summer, topping 212,000 active users last week. So we can clearly see that there was a lot of, hype around this. But how crazy was the launch? Well, if we go over here to this post by Krippenreiter, we have, after a few hours of trading RLUSD XRP, we could already see some cool numbers. Volume, almost $1.4 million, rising trend. Trust lines, XRP Ledger, 31,133, 4,330 holders. RLUSD minted, XRP Ledger, 15.1 million. On Ethereum, in terms of minted, 53.1 million. Holders on Ethereum, 360. Now, we could actually look at this and compare it. So, 1.4 million at the time that I'm recording, which is close to midnight. We're at 1.7 million. We could also see the holders on the right side, which is 4.3K, 30.4K trust lines. And, it's kind of crazy, but this is just on launch. I do think that this is going to quickly grow significantly. I mean, even if we're looking at how fast we hit almost 2 million in volume, it goes to show you that there is a lot of demand for this stablecoin. And I do believe that this is only going to continue from here on out. Even when we go over here to the official page of Ripple USD, we're met with real-time payments and easy fiat to stablecoin on and off ramps. And we also have RLUSD for business, intuition trusted by institutions, payment service providers, remittances and money transfers, centralized exchanges. Now, there's a ton of great videos here. I do apologize, by the way, for the video yesterday. It seems like YouTube muted a lot of those videos, but if we come down here, we could see some of the use cases. And the big one you probably already see on the screen, which I'll mention, it's the focus. But we have near instantaneous payments, power peer-to-peer or business payouts through RLUSD, with transactions that settle in seconds on the XRP ledger and Ethereum blockchains. Global stablecoin settlement. Integrate RLUSD as a foundational trading pair with other crypto assets as an on-ramp for bringing fiat on-chain and as a settlement asset for derivatives markets. The derivatives market is valued at almost $700 trillion in notional value. A lot of people project the value of derivatives being well over $1 quadrillion. When we think about what's happening here, the whole picture is being painted in front of us. Yet everyone is focused on the wrong thing, which is price action on XRP. Guys, these use cases are going to blossom. They are seeds that are being planted, and now that we have RLUSD, we are watering those seeds. If we go back over here, we also have another market being mentioned. Compliant crypto transactions enable merchant and vendor third-party payouts, fiat to RLUSD on and off ramps, and global settlement for the FX markets. The Forex market is $7.5 trillion per day. When we think about what this could do for XRP, I want you guys to realize how this creates value for XRP. If you really want to know how RLUSD, a stablecoin, is going to move XRP in value, well, let's think about this logically. Okay, RLUSD is minted out on both Ethereum and the XRP ledger. Now, on the XRP ledger, there is going to be fees for payments, for transactions, even when utilizing RLUSD. And even though the fees on those transactions to utilize the XRP ledger, even when it is, a stablecoin, for example, even though those fees are very minimal, because you got to remember how efficient the XRP ledger is, that's actually a big focus from my point of view. Because why would I use RLUSD to transact on, let's just say, Ethereum, when the transactions are extremely expensive, when I can just utilize the XRP ledger? Which is why I do think that the XRP ledger will have a lot more value tied to it and volume tied to it when it comes to the stablecoin. Even though recently, as we do look over here, we could see that there's actually a lot more RLUSD minted on the Ethereum blockchain than the XRP ledger. I still think that the use cases around RLUSD are going to really shine on the XRP ledger because of how efficient it actually is, especially even around like the DEX and tokenization of assets as well. But the way that I see this, being very, impactful for XRP and the future of XRP in terms of value is just go look at Bitcoin, right? Like if we really look at Bitcoin and we tie it back to Tether, Tether has caused such a massive rise on Bitcoin. It essentially powers cycles, cycle over cycle for Bitcoin. There's been a lot of talks about this. If you guys do want to go and do more research on this, I can make a video on just how Tether has inflated the price of Bitcoin itself. But beyond that, that's just minting and buying Bitcoin. when we're thinking about RLUSD for some of these markets like derivatives, P2P, or even business payouts, and then the FX market. And then we think about tokenization, right? When you tokenize things, you want to buy, sell, trade, swap, earn DeFi yield. That's all, made possible by a legitimate stablecoin that you can trust, that is going to, hold and maintain a stable value. That's why RLUSD to me is so important, is because of what it actually does for some of these use cases. It allows for them to live on the XRP ledger. So if we're thinking about all of those transactions, all of that volume, all of that value through something like RLUSD, it's going to impact XRP in a very, very large way. And I do think that this is where a lot of people are kind of missing the big target on just how big of an opportunity this could technically be for the XRPL. Right now, and on the initial 24 hours, I was never expecting a very big move. I was never expecting RLUSD to pump XRP to a new all-time high on just the announcement. No, it's going to take some time. And I never told you guys that it was going to, pump it to a new all-time high. Anyone that was telling you that a stablecoin launch on the XRP ledger was going to, push XRP past $3 plus, going to a new all-time high and surging it to $10 overnight, well, guess what? I hate to break it to you, but that person cannot be trusted. But with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.